This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notification on. And if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly, because you know those bad actors are working overtime to suppress the channel because they're terrified of more people becoming aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen. Nasdaq wants to tokenize stocks. They are pushing the SEC to get that done as soon as possible. And in my opinion, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. If they tokenize stocks and the ledger is available for the public to see, then that would be a great thing. It would be a great thing, because then we'd be able to see everything that's going on, and they won't be able to naked short and FTDs, because everything settles in seconds. Okay, so all the fraud and shenanigans that goes on right now would not be available to the bad actors. It would not be available to the bad actors. But if for some reason that ledger is private only to Nasdaq, guys, you know what's going to happen. I know what's going to happen. They're going to be doing whatever they want now, because everything is tokenized, and we can't see if they sold 1 million shares or 20 million shares. It will be chaos. It will not fix the problems in the market. The tokenization only fix the problems if the information is public for everyone to see. If it's not public for everyone to see, if they could have tokenized dark pools, it's going to be the same thing all over again, just on a different level, and it'll be a whole lot easier if they got some dark pool blockchain that they're using to tokenize these stocks. But here's the thing, and this is just my opinion. They, in my opinion, are going to use XRP and XRP Ledger to tokenize these stocks. And I'm not saying there's not other options available. Of course there are. You got Ethereum. You have probably Litecoin, HBAR, XLM, which are great options. But I believe they're going to use XRP to tokenize the stocks. That's what I believe Nasdaq and DTCC is going to do. And I'm going to tell you why. They're going to do it because when it comes to speed, security, and cost, there is nothing better than XRP. If they get the green light to tokenize stocks, I believe it's going to be done with XRP on the XRP Ledger, because it is the most efficient, secure, and cheapest way to do it, and it's the American-based cryptocurrency, okay? And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell XRP. And of course, Nasdaq, DTCC can choose any platform to do it on. They can choose any cryptocurrency to use as gas fees to tokenize these real-world assets. But when you look at the full picture, when you look at the integration of XRP over the last 10 years, when you look at the rails that XRP has built, if you look at the security XRP has built, the partnerships XRP has built, the trust XRP has built, who else would you trust tokenizing stocks with? Not Ethereum. Too slow. You have too much volume in one day, it's going to bottleneck. It's going to lock up. It's going to freeze, and there will be no trading. The only one, in my opinion, that's built for this type of quality and quantity of movement every single day is XRP. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. If Nasdaq tokenizes stocks, if they get the approval rather to tokenize the stocks, do you think they're going to choose XRP and the XRP Ledger to do it? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.